just a quick live stream. Some thing has come up here, and we have had a unexpected G3 storm here on the 17th. All right, last night we were talking about how it could possibly arrive early than the 18th and be stronger than a G1. And here we are at G3 already, currently experiencing a G3 storm. And it's also caused a 7.0 earthquake up here in the Kamchatka Peninsula up here. All right. And there's a little tsunami warning on that. And then as we come over here to the National Data Buoy Center, you can see we got one buoy in event mode right there, but it's not much. It just shook the ocean floor a little bit down there. So it's not a big tsunami or anything, but it did trigger one little buoy out here so far. Okay, so that G3 storm here, all right, we're currently having a G3 right now on the 17th instead of having the G1 on the 18th. So look up here. They have changed the 17th now to G3. We're currently in a G3 storm right now. So any kind of weather that's going on right now currently could be enhanced because we are in a G3 right now. Okay. When this thing hit, it caused 7.0 earthquake here in the Kamchatka Peninsula already. And that 7.0 has a 5.1 aftershock and another 5.2 here on land. Okay. So just already starting here, we're getting some G3 storming. We're getting earthquake activity already from it. Okay. And like I showed real quick, it did trigger one buoy, but it's not much. It's just a reaction, just a small little drop out here where the ocean floor moved. Okay. So even though there's a tsunami tag on this right here, the tsunami's probably not all that big. Okay. I'll even pop that open too. It's not much, but no tsunami warning. Okay. So their magnitude was 7 as well there up here on the Kamchatka Peninsula. All right. So that one was no real tsunami threat from it, supposedly. Okay. 7 usually doesn't shake too much to cause a violent tsunami. Let me pull back a little bit there. There we go. All right. So our current G3 storm right now that we're currently going through right now. So any kind of weather out there, if you have thunderheads building in your vicinity, watch them closely. Okay. Because G3 enhancement could possibly take place here on any storms anywhere around the world. Okay. I pulled up the forecast model just real quick here. There's other instruments I should be using, but I just popped this open real quick. I just want you to take a peek. This is noontime right now, current conditions. G3, add G3 to this enhancement right here, enhancing this activity here down here around Tennessee. You could possibly see enhancement up in there. And then as we go one more click into tonight, let me get one more frame here. Here's tonight up here in Washington. This event up here with the G3 storming added to it. You folks up here in Washington up here, pay attention, be careful. You might see you could possibly see a water spout making landfall. You might see large hail, heavy downpours, flash flooding. Okay, so the storm that was predicted to be a G1 here on the 18th has already started at a G3 here the day before on the 17th. Okay, so we are currently in G3, and no telling, we might climb higher. And then this could possibly be the beginnings of what this event right here was predicted. We were talking last night that this G1 effect might be intensified because of the object that's induced the CME in the first place, the object that's still carrying magnetic radiation, still affecting the storm and enhancing it even stronger. And here we are where August 17th was predicted to be 0, and we're at G3. Okay, so caught them all off guard. G3 storm already happening. All right, we're here. Let me pop that open real quick. Just under KP7 right now, which is not too bad, but that's more energy that's going to be absorbed into the planet, and then we're already seeing 7.0 activity right here. Okay, so more of this energy being absorbed down to the core. We're going to see more earthquakes, more volcanic eruptions. Okay, and let's pray that this event is just short lived, that it doesn't keep climbing higher and be a long duration event. Okay, so just a quick little alert here, update, because this can't wait until tonight. We're currently in G3 right now. So as your day goes and progresses, watch your weather closely. Okay, if you have clouds in your skies right now, watch them, because they have the potential to blossom more than your normal daily activity. Okay, so I just wanted to bring this to you real quick. I'm in the middle of chaos right now, so I saw this going on at the same time, so I had to step aside and pull this up and bring this to you guys, because it's affecting you right now as we currently speak. Current G3 storm going on. All right, unexpected, but no surprises really here at this channel. You know, last night we were talking about, the article said it could arrive a day earlier on the 17th. Well, today's the 17th. It could have arrived earlier. Well, it did. And it wasn't at G1. It was enhanced even more at G3, like we speculated could happen, especially with the size of the object that induced the CME. I don't want to put it out there, but we could possibly see a stronger than G3 tomorrow on the 18th. If this episode is a long duration one and we're starting off at 3, see how it just jumped. It jumped from KP3 to KP7 just instantly like that. So we just got hit, bam, and it got hit with G3. So if it intensifies, there's still the X flare that's behind all of it due on the 18th. That could enhance it even more. We could be looking at G4 on the 18th possibly. Okay, I pray that I'm wrong, but as we watch this stuff unfold, and we see how the action reaction happens, this right here was kind of no surprise either. I was kind of wondering, are we going to start to see G1 storming today and then G3 on this day possibly? Well, here we are starting off with G3, so this day could possibly be even stronger. I pray that that doesn't happen. I pray it's just a short-lived one little spike, but starting off like this is not a good sign. It's probably going to go a little stronger, and over the course of the day, I'll kind of monitor this and stuff for you. But you might be seeing auroras tonight if this G3 keeps climbing and goes into 4, and then, you know, carries on into the 18th here. One more thing really quick. I have to get back to battle here, but I want to pop this up just real quick. Please, Lord, I'm not even going to load it. I want you to see the double bump right here. See the bigger hump on the second impact? All right. If this double bump just got shifted up a day right here instead, and we started off at a 3, we might see 5 or 4. See what I'm saying? If we're starting off at 3 right here and it's going to climb in the second part, we could possibly see starting off at 3 going up to a 4 or 5. See what I'm saying? Okay, I pray that I'm wrong. I pray that this doesn't happen. We do not need any more geomagnetic enhancement or absorption in the earth. All right, I'm a stickler for that, and here we are at G3 already on the 17th. Okay, you guys? So, little warning, watch your weather. Hold on, this is going to have results down below. We're already seeing results. 7.0 here. Okay, so don't be surprised we see some more 7 activity, maybe even a little bit higher at some of our weak spots. What I like to see right here that's already going on is quake activity here at Taiwan, releasing pressure right there at the surface. That's good. These two just south of it, right here, relieving pressure. That's good. This region just took a little pressure off right there. This is a come here, you 5.2, the surface on a plate boundary right here. Okay, so some of our weak spots that we look around and we talk about, watch out for those possibly as well. Fulcrum points. Okay, here's a look, here's a current fulcrum point quake up here in Alaska. You have that one. It's not much, it's 2.5, but you see it's on a fulcrum. Okay, so your plate boundary fulcrum points, your weak spots, watch out. We're going to have a little uptick in magnitude or activity here pretty soon. Okay, G3, and that's why. The object accompanying this will show you later on tonight in the show. Okay, so, but a brief update here, a little early warning thing. We have just encountered a G3 enhancement storm, so it's going to enhance your weather, already affecting earthquakes and stuff. And little warning, we just got hit, and it could possibly be even stronger on the 18th. All right, that's it for now. I just had to pop in here really quick and give you a quick update as to what just happened and what's going on and what's currently going, your effects that could currently take place. All right, so watch your weather anywhere around the world. Okay, it's not just necessarily in America. If you're having, a rainy day, your convection enhancement could you could have enhancement of your convection. There we go. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. All right. I pray that everybody takes this seriously and just be aware. Okay, it's not to scare you anything. It's just to keep. It's a heads up. Stay alert. So we're in the red already here with a G3. Hold on tight because we had a 7 here. Let's just pray that everything kind of does its thing. Watch out up here as well for this storm tonight and this low pressure with an intense storm and geomagnetic enhancement could cause an earthquake in that area as well. Okay, there's another way that earthquakes happen. And these storms, this low pressure, if it drops pretty low and this storm gets very intense, it could rattle that area. They could see, remember we saw an earthquake at the same time we had a storm down in Southern California? Same kind of effect could happen up here. All right. So pray for everybody up in Washington, everybody up here. Get ready to take cover tonight. All right. That's going to be some severe weather up there that you're not used to. Well, you're used to rain, but this is going to be a healthy storm with some possible enhancement to it because of our G3 storming or G3 magnetic storming. Okay. I think I repeated it a couple of times there. It should be good enough. I love you guys. I'll continue to monitor this. And if we have any other bigger spikes, a bigger enhancement, if we jump from 3 to 4 or 5 or something here in the next couple hours, I might pop up put up a short or something if I can, or even go live really quick like this if I can. All right. Other than that, I will see you later tonight. I love you guys. I miss you guys. Okay. Hang on. Keep praying for each other. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. That's a big factor that's going on in the background. All right. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem, that cooler heads prevail there. Okay. Meanwhile, we got bigger fish to fry than that. Okay. We got some stuff that's going on with our planet. All right. So I love you all. I miss you all. And until my next update or my show later on tonight, I'll be back.